Yo, 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 what's up? Good morning, guys. This boring painting, this boring color, this boring, I don't even know why they would put this on. This is like some grandfather stuff. I don't see anybody putting their clothes in this. This is like an overnight stay type of deal. Then, this right here is, the view is good, but this right here is hideous. So like, if you're a person that likes views, you would like this view, but you wouldn't like this room. This room needs to be renovated, updated, and all that, because this is very boring, especially for the amount that you pay for this room. You know what I mean? It's a Hilton, so you expect quality. This ain't quality. So, yeah, we just woke up, about to get ready to get up out of here. Oh, let me show you the bathroom real quick. Oh, and they got this big mirror. And then this is the bathroom. Shower thing, and then they got like this little section over here full of little amenities and stuff like that. Got your coffee over here, and you can tell that this is pretty outdated because you can see the wood and how the wood is like stretching it. All that boring countertops. It's been a while since I seen a boring hotel room. If I was a hotel survey type person, this room would get like a 2 out of 10. Ooh. So yeah. But yeah, we're about to get ready to move out. Let me pack up stuff, and we'll holler at y'all at the next stop.
Las Vegas.
Fixing the right side of the road. We have passed a sign that stated that we are 70 miles out from Vegas, so we're almost there. How you feeling? Last hours and change out?
I'm alright. Tired of stupid road work. They tell me slow all the way down almost to a stop. And then I got this big old truck on my booty like I'm doing what they doing. Dude.
Tell us how you really feel over there. All right. been doing amazing with this drive. This has been 4 days. Hopefully you sit here. 4 days of driving. So
Yep, every moment seems scarier than the next.
state lines of Nevada. We are finally here. We're about probably another 30 minutes out from where we need to get to. It has been a long, I think 5 days at this point, from the day that we started packing everything to the truck to us actually hitting the road. So today is day 4 of our road trip and day 5 total of the complete move. It's the Hoover Dam over there. And yeah, we'll probably wrap up one last thing, just to kind of like getting the stuff unloaded possibly. If not, I don't know. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, if not, peace. We're out. Alright guys, we have officially made it to our new place.
Yep.
I'm gonna turn it this way so you can't necessarily see the entrance. But yeah, this is the new home. So we're gonna do kind of like a, before we, wait. Let's do a walkthrough before, we'll do like a reaction to the house.
To the house.
Yeah, because viewing it online versus seeing it in person is gonna be like Bailey said.
All right, so how we do this? How you want to do this? How you want this? All right, so we got, what is this stuff? What is, did they already move some stuff over here? I got soccer balls and stuff. I don't know.
Probably stuff from
New water heater. I like that. Glass door. Glass door is cool. So we all trying to figure out, because it's gonna be a nice little amount of us. It smells like somebody was already using the bathroom or something.
oh Lord.
So this is the bottom floor. Bathroom, room. It's not a lot of space, but it's a nice amount of space right here. Mm-hmm. All right.
There we go.
All right, so you got one of those
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool. That's right outside our window.
Alright. So this would be the first, there's 3 floors.
So we have to
So
make
this is
our
the first
decision.
floor.
Got a closet right here. Wait,
Okay.
it's not really a closet. It just doesn't have nothing. It's just.
Oh, that'd be like a little storage space.
Okay, here's the washer and dryer.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that's the smell I'm smelling. The person had a dog
Or a cat.
or a cat.
I think it was a cat. Sounds like there's a lot of construction going on because it's like there's a lot of new constructions going on. What's out there?
They building on a second. Yeah, I mean.
Oh, okay. Nice little backyard section.
That's gonna be interesting to slide my bike through. But I make it do what it do. I've been in smaller situations.
Possibly park it under the tree.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Definitely gonna need a lot of spray, right?
Freshen up the house.
Ooh, this person could have definitely sprayed their house. Not everybody like the smell. So this is like the living room, second floor. So of course this is the living room, which is cool.
Okay.
It's huge. So this is the second room. I can see why they was telling us maybe the second floor.
Yeah.
Damn. You got a little bathroom there. Then you got sit down thing there.
Okay.
Is that what I look like? Dang. And then, okay, that's a
We might
nice.
have to take the second floor for right now if we decide not to do the storage unit.
That's a lot. Okay. So this would be the third floor, which is the kitchen area. Bruh, it's 4 stories. It's 4 levels.
Okay, so I'm confused. So, okay, so they told us the first and second floor. The first floor, oh. Okay, so Danny had told us the first floor, the bathroom would be in your bedroom section. The second floor, we'll be able to utilize.
The kitchen.
Yeah.
So So really we was on the 4th floor.
And on the second floor, that's what she told us, the bathroom would be outside of your bedroom.
They definitely had, the people who did the carpet left their damn shoes in here. So this is the second floor. Boom, bam. There's our closet. Big old gigantic closet. In here.
Well, no, that's the pantry.
Oh, okay. That's the pantry. I'm sorry. And then you go to the bathroom. Dang, it's got a big old tub.
Okay.
Alright. And then, so this is the second.
Oh, no. Okay. No, she said it right then. It is 3 floors.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
She just labeled it incorrectly then. Because this is the rooftop.
This is the roof. Okay.
Which has awesome views of what we saw online.
They got a barbecue? Definitely barbecue, right? Oh my god.
Wait for it, guys. Wait for it.
Oh.
Do you see it on view? Like, OMG. Like, literally. 360-degree panoramic views of nothing but beautifulness.
Wow.
And as you can see, that's why it's a lot of noise. They're building more out here, out in the desert of Nevada.
Whoa. We are high as hell.
Definitely could do my yoga out here. Because Danny was like, we could do our yoga, we could do our lounging, we could barbecue. It's a nice little space out here.
There's a lot of room. They was right. You wouldn't even notice anybody was here.
Yeah, so we definitely all have our own floor. So we just need to figure out what floor exactly we're talking about. Because I think how she listed it, it was a little confusing. So the floor with the kitchen is technically the 3rd floor. And I think she listed it as the the 2nd floor. So, but we'll check it out. But again,
That's crazy. Even if we bought like patio stuff or chairs, that's even insane. Like, it's a lot of stuff.
the views though, views for days. All right, well I guess that's our reaction video. I think this is going to be definitely a separate part of what we did earlier with the drive. But great job, you two. Awesome sauce.
Yep.